Hey boys and girls, Mrs. Smith here. Today I'm going to be doing a fun little experiment that you guys can do at home with very simple materials that you should all have sitting around your house. So the very first thing you're going to need is a paper plate. Second thing you're going to need is some milk or cream, coffee cream. Dish soap, so I've put just a little bit of dish soap in a little bowl here. Cotton swabs. And food coloring. So I've got 4 different colors here. The more colors, the better. Okay. So the very first thing we're going to do for this experiment is you're going to pour some milk onto your plate. You don't need a lot, just enough to kind of cover the whole bottom of the plate. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your food coloring and you're going to put a few drops around the milk. So this is where you can kind of get creative. Kind of have some fun. Okay. All right, and the last and final step, and this is where the magic's going to happen, is you're going to take your cotton swab and you're just going to dab it in your soap. Get some soap on the end, just like that. I'm actually going to put a little bit more. And you're going to put it in the milk and the food coloring. Wow, that's so cool, hey? I'm gonna do it again. Pretty cool, hey? So I'm gonna try the exact same experiment again, but this time I'm gonna use the cream. And we're gonna see what happens with the cream. So let's put this aside. I'm gonna get another plate. And I'm gonna try the cream this time. So we'll pour some cream onto the plate. And then I'm gonna do the same thing. Oh, these look darker on the cream, don't they? They looked a little more vibrant in the milk. That's interesting. Okay, now let's get a new cotton swab. Let's get some soap. Here we go. Whoa, it's so cool. Isn't that cool? Wow. Oh, look, here comes the green. Look at that. Wow. It kind of looks like fireworks. Still going, look at that. Wow, it's so beautiful. Let's do some more. So you're probably wondering what's happening here. So this is a cool reaction that happens between the fat in the milk and the dish soap. So when the dish soap touches the milk, it spreads the fat particles in the milk. It makes them want to go away from each other. So that's why we put the food coloring in, so that we can see this reaction happening. So what you're seeing is all the fat particles trying to move away from the soap. And the reason why we're seeing more movement in the cream is because the cream has more fat in it than the milk does. This is a 0% milk, so there is like no fat in there. And this one has 10% fat, so there's a lot more fat. So that's why we're seeing a lot more movement in the cream than we did when we did the milk. So this is a really cool experiment, and you should have all these things around your house. Give it a try. Try one with milk, try one with cream. See which one makes a cooler design, and then send me some pictures of your designs. This one is still going. It's so cool. I'm gonna zoom in for you guys a bit here. Look at that. Looks like galaxies. So cool. All right, guys, so check this out, try it, and show me some pictures of you guys trying it. See you later.